Thousands of travelers are showing up at airport security completely unaware that some electronics are now drawing extra scrutiny from TSA, and in some cases, being confiscated altogether. The worst part? Many of these are everyday devices that people pack without thinking twice. Before your next flight, make sure you're not carrying one of the 11 electronics on this list that could delay your trip, trigger additional screening, or leave you empty-handed at the checkpoint. Airport security has always been a place where rules matter, where a single overlooked item in your bag can mean missing your flight or facing serious consequences. But heading into 2026, the Transportation Security Administration is tightening its grip on something most travelers never think twice about: their electronics. The devices we carry every single day, the ones we charge overnight and toss into our carry-on bags without a second thought, are now under serious scrutiny. And if you are not paying attention, you could find yourself watching your favorite gadget get confiscated right at the checkpoint. This is not about liquids or pocket knives anymore. This is about the technology in your bag, and the rules are changing in ways that will catch a lot of people off guard. The Transportation Security Administration has been updating its screening protocols, responding to evolving security threats, battery safety concerns, and international aviation standards that are reshaping what is and is not allowed through the checkpoint. Some of these changes are about the devices themselves. Others are about how they are packed, how they are charged, or whether they meet specific technical requirements. Either way, the result is the same. If your electronics do not meet the new standards, they are not getting on that plane with you. The first category drawing major attention from Transportation Security Administration officers in 2026 is swollen or visibly damaged lithium-ion batteries, whether they are inside a device or standalone power banks. Lithium-ion batteries that have begun to swell, crack, or show signs of physical damage pose a genuine fire risk at altitude, where cabin pressure and temperature changes can accelerate a thermal runaway event. Officers are now trained to visually inspect devices more carefully, and if a battery appears compromised in any way, the device will not be allowed through. This applies to laptops, tablets, smartphones, and external battery packs. If you have an older device with a battery that has started to bulge, do not assume it will slip through unnoticed. The Transportation Security Administration is specifically looking for these. Understanding TSA rules can help you avoid losing valuable electronics at the security checkpoint. Another smart way experienced travelers protect themselves is with Safety Wing Travel Insurance, which can help provide peace of mind when unexpected travel disruptions occur. Power banks above 100 watt-hours have long been restricted, but enforcement in 2026 is becoming significantly stricter. Many travelers carry large-capacity power banks without ever checking the watt-hour rating printed on the label. The rule is straightforward. Power banks between 100 and 160 watt-hours require airline approval and must be carried in carry-on luggage only. Anything above 160 watt-hours is prohibited entirely, both in carry-on and checked baggage. What is changing is the level of scrutiny at the checkpoint. Officers are now cross-referencing device labels more carefully, and power banks without clearly printed watt-hour ratings are being flagged and confiscated. If your power bank does not have a legible label showing its capacity, it is considered non-compliant and will be removed from your bag. Counterfeit and unbranded charging devices, including wireless chargers, wall adapters, and charging cables with built-in battery packs, are now on the Transportation Security Administration's radar in a significant way. These devices often lack the safety certifications required by aviation authorities, and because they are manufactured without regulatory oversight, their internal components can be unpredictable. In 2026, officers are being directed to flag devices that do not carry recognizable safety certification markings. If your charging brick or wireless charging pad does not have a visible certification mark from a recognized testing laboratory, it may be pulled from your bag. This is a category that catches budget travelers off guard, particularly those who purchase accessories from unverified online marketplaces. Electronic cigarettes and vaping devices have been prohibited in checked baggage for years, but the Transportation Security Administration is now enforcing this rule with far greater consistency in 2026. The lithium batteries inside these devices make them a fire hazard in the cargo hold, and officers are conducting more thorough checks of checked baggage declarations. If a vaping device is found in checked luggage, it will be confiscated. These devices must be carried in your carry-on, and even then, they cannot be used or charged on the aircraft. The enforcement crackdown extends to disposable vapes as well, which many travelers mistakenly assume are exempt because they are small or single-use. One of the most frustrating parts of travel is discovering that something important has been lost, delayed, confiscated, or damaged when you're far from home. While understanding TSA regulations can help you avoid many common problems, even the most prepared traveler can't control everything. Flights get canceled, luggage gets delayed, medical emergencies happen, and unexpected travel expenses can appear when you least expect them. That's why experienced travelers don't just prepare for airport security, they prepare for the entire journey. Safety Wing Travel Insurance can help provide an added layer of protection when travel plans take an unexpected turn. Think about everything you're bringing with you: your electronics, your luggage, your reservations, and your vacation itself. You've already invested time, money, and energy into your trip. Protecting that investment is one of the smartest travel decisions you can make. The travelers who experience the least stress aren't always the luckiest. They're the ones who prepare ahead of time. Before your next trip, click the link below and see if Safety Wing Travel Insurance is right for you. It's a small step today that could save you a tremendous amount of stress tomorrow. Drones and their associated smart batteries are facing new restrictions in 2026 that go beyond what most hobbyist travelers are aware of. Smart batteries, which are the intelligent lithium polymer packs used in modern consumer drones, are now subject to stricter capacity and packaging requirements. Many of these batteries exceed the 100 watt-hour threshold, and even those that fall below it are being scrutinized for proper packaging. Loose smart batteries without protective covers or cases are being confiscated at checkpoints because exposed terminals create a short-circuit risk. If you are traveling with drone equipment, every battery must be individually protected, and the total watt-hour capacity across all batteries must comply with current limits. Laptops that have had their original batteries replaced with third-party or aftermarket alternatives are now a specific point of concern for Transportation Security Administration officers. The issue is that many aftermarket laptop batteries do not carry the same safety certifications as original manufacturer components, and their actual capacity may differ from what is printed on the label. In 2026, if an officer suspects that a laptop battery has been modified or replaced with a non-certified component, the device can be flagged for additional screening or confiscated. This is particularly relevant for travelers who use older laptops that have been refurbished or repaired using non-original parts. Heated jackets, heated gloves, and other wearable technology with integrated lithium battery packs are now being flagged at checkpoints with increasing frequency. These products have surged in popularity, but many of them contain battery packs that are sewn directly into the garment, making them difficult to inspect and impossible to remove quickly. The Transportation Security Administration's updated guidance in 2026 requires that any wearable item with an integrated battery be removable for inspection. If the battery cannot be separated from the garment, the entire item may be confiscated. Travelers who rely on heated gear for cold weather destinations need to ensure their products are designed with removable battery packs before heading to the airport. Satellite phones, personal locator beacons, and other satellite communication devices are not outright banned, but they are now subject to documentation requirements that many travelers are completely unaware of. In 2026, the Transportation Security Administration is requiring that travelers carrying these devices be able to demonstrate their purpose and provide documentation, showing the device is registered and compliant with Federal Communications Commission regulations. Devices that cannot be verified through documentation are being confiscated at the checkpoint. This primarily affects adventure travelers, journalists, and aid workers who carry satellite communicators as safety tools, but it can catch any traveler off guard if they are not prepared with the right paperwork. Medical devices powered by lithium batteries, including certain continuous glucose monitors, portable oxygen concentrators, and neurostimulator controllers, are now subject to enhanced screening procedures in 2026. While these devices are generally permitted, travelers must carry documentation from a licensed medical professional confirming the device's necessity and specifications. Devices that cannot be verified or that exceed battery capacity limits without proper airline approval are being held at the checkpoint. The Transportation Security Administration has made it clear that medical necessity does not automatically exempt a device from battery safety regulations, and travelers who rely on these devices need to plan ahead with both their healthcare provider and their airline. The pattern across all of these categories is the same. The Transportation Security Administration is no longer giving travelers the benefit of the doubt when it comes to electronics. Documentation, certification markings, proper packaging, and compliance with watt-hour limits are no longer optional considerations. They are the difference between boarding your flight and watching your device get dropped into a confiscation bin. Before your next trip, go through every electronic item in your bag. Check the watt-hour rating on every battery. Look for certification markings on every charging accessory. Make sure damaged or swollen batteries are replaced before you ever get to the airport. If you are carrying specialized equipment like drones, satellite devices, or medical electronics, gather your documentation in advance and contact your airline to confirm compliance. The rules are not designed to make travel harder. They are designed to make it safer. But they only work if travelers take the time to understand them before they are standing at the checkpoint with a line of frustrated passengers behind them and a Transportation Security Administration officer holding up their bag.